So let me take you to the islands of the Bahamas. Crystal clear waters, beautiful white sandy beaches. Take free sand from the beach and you mix it together and they make sandpaper. Do you know that that sandpaper is now worth $5? When you take something and you increase its usefulness, it becomes more valuable. That's how it is with leadership. Until you learn to value yourself and value yourself enough to say, I need to grow and develop. You can't give it away to someone else.
She was very relatable, and I was engaged the entire time.
I was actually born and raised in the islands of the Bahamas. So I grew up on Nassau, which is a small island, 7 miles wide, 21 miles long, and true Bahamian by birth. But all my family is back in the islands, and I go home as much as I can to see them and enjoy the sun and the waters and the great food.
Her program was insightful, it was engaging and intriguing, just all of that. Love, love, love it.
And when I work with organizations, I help them discover their best leadership qualities and teach them tools, tips, and techniques to make them even better leaders. I guide leaders and teams at all levels, and I teach them new skills that will empower confidence, help them overcome fears, and remove those blind spots so that they can achieve their true potential. They'll learn new communication tools that help them be mindful of the words they say and the messages that they may not even realize that they're saying through nonverbal communication. And when that happens, when they become better as a leader and a communicator, their life becomes better. They experience more freedom and less stress, both on and off the job. If you are not taking time to invest, and believe me, there are a lot of quote-unquote leaders that are in business and in industries that do nothing to get better. They don't. In fact, they believe that they have arrived. Right? You never arrive. I truly believe that my gift is to inspire people for action. And the reason that is because I believe you can do more, you can be more, and you can achieve more because we were made for immeasurably more. What happens if you do nothing? Not a trick question. Nothing happens if you do nothing. You have to take action. When you and I envision the possibilities, you envision the fact that you don't see those obstacles. You don't ask, well, why? You ask, why not?
She just brings life. You could tell when she speaks to whatever she does. That's a really hard spot to fill after lunch. Everybody's kind of tired and sluggish, and she just came in and she was revved up and she brought the energy. And not only did she bring the energy, but just really good content.
Your story is being written. You're still here, you have value, and your story is being written. And so you have a chance to change the end of that story.